Hi, my name's Andrew. Thank you for visiting my YouTube channel. This video is another in a series on family investment offices in the USA. And if you're looking to reach ultra high net worth investors, this is a great resource for you to start with. Just a little bit about myself. I'm a fundraising strategist with 15 years experience in high-end real estate sales and marketing spanning Canada, Dubai, and the Caribbean. And over the last 2 years on Fiverr, I've assisted over 260 clients with startup fundraising, pitch deck refinement, investor outreach strategies, and custom investor databases. I also serve as an advisor to a New York private equity firm with funding commitments of $10 billion. This group diversifies across multiple sectors, including income-producing real estate, and engages in debt or equity financing ranging from $10 million to $100 million for each project. You can learn more about the services I provide by clicking my Fiverr link below. This video showcases Hersh Family Investments in Texas, and they are one of the 425 family investment offices in the USA that are included in my exclusive database of investors. Company snapshot: they're based in Dallas, Texas. They're classified as a family investment office investment company. Sector is general. Company description: Hersh Family Investments, headquartered in Dallas, Texas, is dedicated to advancing the financial and civic objectives of the family through strategic investments in opportunities led by exceptional management teams with a focus on creating significant long-term value. Let's take a look at some key insights. Hersh Family Investments, based in Dallas, Texas, is dedicated to advancing the financial, civic, and philanthropic interests of the family through strategic investments in opportunities led by exceptional management teams with a focus on creating substantial long-term value. They differentiate themselves from typical investment firms by managing their own capital, offering an attractive alternative to companies and executive teams seeking committed partners with flexibility for long-term perspectives in building great companies over time. Their investment criteria prioritize partnering with management teams and investing in growth-focused businesses with proven business models, sustainable franchises, strong returns on investment capital, solid free cash flow generation, and opportunities for operational or growth-related value creation. They specialize in buy and build opportunities, mid to late stage growth capital injections, special situations, and formation capital investments across a range of sectors, including raw land and real estate, media, healthcare, business services, financial services, education, technology, building, industry, data intelligence, transportation, specialty manufacturing, and value-added distribution. Let's take a look at some of their portfolio. So let's take a look at the Family Investment Office database. So let's take a look at the database now. This is the spreadsheet for the Family Investment Office database, and in total there are 425 firms, and as far as actual contacts, there's 1,230 because there are multiple contacts for each company in many cases. So you can see as I scroll down to the very bottom here, you're getting the first name and last name of the key contact. This database includes contacts, so you're not going to get any info at or admin at contacts, but you can contact them via the website, which is also included. So in that you're going to get first name, last name, email ID, entity type. They're all family office, but it will show whether it's single or multi. The firm name, website, they've all been verified, which basically means I've already run this database through an email verification system, and every single website has been clicked. So they are all either family offices or wealth investment companies that handle the accounts of the ultra high net worth contact, and you would find those as multifamily offices. Now, one thing is important to keep in mind, that there are a lot of firms, or actually a few firms, that are selling family investment offices on the internet. Now, I buy almost every database. If you've watched my previous videos, you know that I have over 400,000 contacts. And one thing that happens with family investment office databases are they're usually very unclean, they're very unorganized, misclassified. In other words, this particular database came from 5,000 contacts. Yes, 5,000 contacts is a database that I purchased from a major group that had actually said that it was good as of 2024. Well, I can tell you that it's not good, because when I clicked the contacts, a lot of them were not family investment offices. What happens is these companies scrape the internet and they come up with something that might say family, and it just might be a investment company or a wealth manager, or even an insurance company that uses the word family on their website, and therefore you're getting a lot of garbage. What I also have done is I've taken out all the philanthropy and the charitable organizations. Now, a lot of family offices are based on charities. That's fine. There's no problem with that. But for the purpose of why most people come to me to look for family investment offices, is they tend to be real estate groups looking to market their projects, or other groups, especially those that are in the private equity side, that are looking to raise capital, or to find opportunities to do joint ventures with. So they're not interested in contacting family investment offices that are charitable organizations or endowments. Now, there are many of them, probably a couple hundred at least. So the beauty of this database, when you get it from me, is that all the heavy lifting's been done. Again, you're getting 425 key firms, and that's all you need. If you need more than 400 contacts to market your project to, and you're not getting any success, you have to point the finger at yourself and the project, because that's where the problem is. This is the greatest collection of wealth in the United States. There is no question about it. So it's really important to understand how you do your marketing. These databases are not to be used for spamming. They're more for research, so that you can actually try to add more contacts. Now, coming to the quality of the database, you can see here I've got quality and result. Those are just the punch outs that I get from the email verification service. Now, what I've done is I've cleaned the entire database, and you can see it has qualifications such as 60% good, risky, and bad. Bad mean the email does not exist, so they're not part of this database. Now, risky means they may exist or not, so I've kept those in there, and the reason being is that a lot of companies, when somebody leaves, still leaves that email open, so it's still an email that gets monitored, because the company wants to still remain active with that person's contacts or clients. So I've left them in there. And anyway, the key items that you need to remember are that you're going to try to make contact. You're going to check their website. Very large amount of the contacts in this database are going to actually have the key contacts. You're also going to get a chance to look at their LinkedIn's in most cases. So they're very transparent as far as the type of contacts you're going to get. Much more transparent than you're going to see in a venture capital database or a website. For example, in most venture capital websites, you're just going to get an info at, whereas these type of contacts tend to be more open, although in many cases you're going to have to do a little bit of digging, and you're going to have to sort of refresh from time to time. Most of them are going to be okay. I would suggest every year you run this database through an email verification service as well. So getting back to the key points, so you're getting the firm name, you're getting the website, you're getting the city. They're all based in USA, and it's very much spread out. You're getting LinkedIn contacts as well. Now, I do not check LinkedIn's because most people don't change their LinkedIn addresses, of course, unless they retire. But for the most part, people change emails when they move from company to company, obviously, but they don't change their LinkedIn, so I left those as they are. It also allows you to possibly make other connections with people in their company. And you can see the date that they were verified was just last month, because we're sitting here in May 2024 right now, and these were all verified in April of 2024. So that is the spreadsheet of what's included in the Family Investment Office database, and you can contact me for more information on that. You can also check out my other gigs on Fiverr. I have a pitch deck review service that is really popular if you're getting ready to send your pitch deck out to investors. Let me take a look at it to make sure that it is actually ready to be sent out. I also have a guide to raising startup capital, 160 pages. I created this for first-time fundraisers. It'll teach you how to do pitch decks, business plans, and other key initiatives when it comes to fundraising and other fundraising gigs. And if you need help to write your startup pitch deck, if you've got a business plan already completed, I can actually get you started on that. So just check those gigs out on my Fiverr profile. For more information on my databases and fundraising services, click my Fiverr link below. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.